This is a review of USB-C docking station. Let's go ahead and look at what we have inside the box. Here is the USB docking station. When we first look at it, you can see gigabit LAN up to 1000 megabits per second. You're gonna connect this area to your laptop, and here USB-C PD 3.0. Power in 100 watts, and this is for the USB-C video port up to 8K and 30 Hertz. And we have HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, and right over here we have USB 3.0. It's up to 5 gigabit per second. USB 2.0 is for the wireless devices. If you have mouse and keyboard, basically you can put it over there. And HDMI 1 input up to 8K 30 Hertz, and HDMI 2 8K up to 30 Hertz. Let's look at the other side of the USB docking station. When we first look at it, there is on and off button. We have USB input 10 gigabits per second, and there is SD and microSD card inputs and audio in and out. We have two USB-C inputs, one of them for you can charge your phone up to 20 watts, and here you can transfer the files up to 10 gigabits per second. Let's go ahead and continue looking at the box. USB-C host cable, and this is 100 watt adapter. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And we're gonna plug it in right over here, and it's on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and connect everything. HDMI 1, and we already connected to wireless mouse and the keyboard here. Then we're gonna do the connection between the laptop and the USB-C docking station. We need to connect it to host, and here, and host. Right now you can see how fast it is, and let's see the mouse. Yes, it's working fine, and the keyboard, it's working fine. I'm gonna go ahead and use this external drive. We will see how fast it's gonna transfer the files. We have a file, it is 3 gigabytes, and I'm just gonna move it from here to there and see how long it's gonna take. It is almost 5 seconds to complete 3 gigabytes. It is very fast also. This is 16-in-1. I recommend this product because it has everything that you need. This is also great for the transferring the files and charging your phone. You don't have to use separate charger. Basically, you're just gonna use one host cable, USB-C. Everything is gonna be handled directly, only one cable. That's it.